which bring those different qualities to that. And it has, to me, a real feel. It's very high.
So now what is that made out
So
of?
this one,
No, I meant the stick.
this one, I think it's PVC with suede. I don't think it's anything exciting.
Oh, okay.
But this black tourmaline got nicknamed kind of like an etheric vacuum cleaner because it's really good for neutralizing negative energies. Your hair just kind of clears things up. And when you put it with something as beautiful and heart and high as the amethyst, you don't have to know what it means, but you feel it. So they kind of come together. And this Anchi is like Anchi platinum, and I think it's something else too. Way up there, way up in the clouds, but those three together, they're kind of magic. Then if you want to ground them out, this is a tesseract salt with aqua aura gold, a whole bunch of stuff that I don't know all of the stuff yet, but you can feel that it's a little more, on this side, more of the grounding quality to it. And this lovely one has 7 alchemies. It was made specially for the gal who I got started with all of this with. And she is what they call a morph. I mean, but you can hear the depth in it. When I was going through customs, one of the guys took it and went, wham. And so they broke her. And all those places. But we were able to pour more crystal liquid on it and put it back together. And she came back actually in a pitch that matched my set even more. And you can hear she's really happy to sing.
Wow.
They kind of anchor. Here we have this one all full of magnificence and this one for clearing. And they all do different things. When you get over to this side, it's a slightly different key when we're doing things. It's like the one I like to start with the most is the grandmother, and that's this one that you heard. And she's so rich and she has so many overtones. Oftentimes people can't tell what pitch she is. They'll say, sing what pitch she is, and they'll sing this one. They'll think, because that's such a prevalent, and the more you play, it brings out different qualities of the overtone. And the one next to her is called the grandfather. This is Divine Mother grounding to the earth doing stuff. And grandfather is like sage, wisdom. And to me, it sounds like an ancient gong. It sounds like it just really fills up with. And I had a decision to make because I had that one, and then I also found this quiet, so you can hear. This is an azestulite, which is I think one of the highest vibrating forms of crystal. It's been actually found in the 70s, but this one, same pitch but way clearer. So it does different things. Like this one goes really nice with this selenite violet flame. Here how they have those clarities together. But when I want to get things up for people, or to get even more vibrations around a particular center, I have 3 that are the same note, but when you hear them together, there's the grandfather, very complex. On top, this is Laughing Buddha. And she's on a stick. Oh, you might enjoy this. You can direct the sound a little bit more around your head or your ears, or if I want to bring it down your back.
Oh, yeah.
Isn't that fun? You interested? Okay. Sorry, didn't mean to clang it so hard. Put in. It's in the pitch of the throat, for expression and for opening things.
And that one's on a stick.
It's on a stick so that we can direct it more.
I see.
We can put it in all kinds of places, and to me it's really fun to go around, but there is a lot of sound that, oh, I'm not done. Yeah. Isn't that interesting?
Yeah.
I thought you might like it on the backside too. Want to try it?
Sure.
sorry. I saw you over there.
That's cool.
But on the front feels even different. And like over your head, just to hear the vibration smooth, it's kind of like stereo, you know,
I
this
got
kind
it.
of
It's
stuff.
so cool.
We're kind of on down. But the vibrations, it invites you, you missed my little beginning spiel, but it
sorry.
invites, it invites you to come back to an even vibration.
Yeah.
Because crystal is such a pure, even, steady vibration. So, I
Thank
missed you.
you.
I'll get you later, dear.
How about Colleen?
Oh, Miss Colleen. Yeah. Oh, it's too much fun. Laughing Buddha is perfect for you, yes? Let's go down, okay? You put some on your feet. You
Yes.
tickle your feet.
My cells are happy.
You have such a big heart. Fun, huh?
Thank you, Diann.
You're welcome.
I'm so glad you asked that question, Jackie.